the big or main reflections from day one. And I saw that Julie also put in the chat the link to the mural board, where we were collecting a lot of great feedback from you all throughout the day. So thank you again for being engaged with the mural board. Feel free to check it out today and keep adding to it as we move through our presentations. And then in terms of what we have in store for today, as Alyssa mentioned, we're going to be kicking things off with a really engaging game, which I'm excited to participate in with you all. It's actually my first time playing this game, so I'm really curious to see how it works out. And more generally, what we're doing today is focusing on decision-making under deep uncertainty. So we're going to be going over some planning frameworks that can help us make decisions in a changing climate. And we're also going to hear some really interesting case studies from different areas in the country, showing us examples of how these decision-making and planning frameworks have actually been applied. So really looking forward to what we have in store for today. And I think, Alyssa, were we going to do some Mentimeter questions to get some participant feedback before we dive into the game?
I think we were just going to dive straight in.
Okay, let's dive in.